Hello, this is John Piper with the weekend video, and it's Saturday the 12th of October, and we're starting with Bitcoin as usual. We're involved in this very solid rally at the moment, which we've been tracking rather successfully so far, I would say. We caught the low down here. We've got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm filling for new subscribers. Use the edit wave theory. The impulsive moves are in 5 waves, like this one here. Rules are that 1 and 4 shouldn't actually touch. This one actually does touch, happens sometimes, but very rarely. And then the corrections are in a 3-part form, A, B, C. So we've got a 1 in the form of a 5 up to there, and the A, B, C down to there for 1 and 2. A nice sharp thrust up here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, to complete this move. Now we're now in this big corrective move. You can see it's a triangle. ABCs and triangles are corrective forms. I mean, they do come in all shapes and forms, but those are the two main types. It looks like we could have seen the end of this move. I mean, certainly it's done enough really. It's quite a big correction. I mean, this could be the third and the fourth and the fifth wave of the impulsive rally. Then we've got A, B, C. The only problem is, haven't we got clarity here too much? See, I mean, this is rather a messy 5. I mean, you can count a 5, but the 1 goes to about here, that overlap with a 4, which is not ideal. It looks like an ABC, in fact, at the moment. So A, B, C. If that's the case, then we're going to see more downside. Quite strangely, because this is clearly impulsive. No doubt about that at all. I mean, look at this move here. It's very, very sharp to the point. So you expect to see a correction and then another rally. Now, it may be this is actually a rally coming in, and it's just taking its time to develop a bit of impetus. But there is this possibility that maybe this is actually a failure. This one I've labelled B is actually a fifth wave failure, and so we've got a fifth. We haven't got a fifth wave already, and we have a more correction to come. It's just not clear right now on Bitcoin. This happens from time to time. I mean, during this phase here, it was all crystal clear. All the rallies were sharp to the point, and the corrections are all dithery and definitely corrective. It's just now we're in a different ball game here at the moment. But of course, we have seen a lot of action. I mean, we were down to 15,000 odd, so we're down to around about 15,000 down here. We got 72,000 up here. That was about 18 months afterwards. So I mean, that's a hell of a rally. That's what times 5, almost 5 times in just over a year or so. So it does need, the market needs time to digest that kind of action, and this is what we're seeing now. We're now building the base for the next rally phase to come in. So it could have started here, but this doesn't really confirm that right now. Let's have a look at Ethereum. Well, Ethereum is trying to mirror its big brother's footsteps, so it's having a little problem with a much bigger correction down here. I mean, at this stage, everything was in harmony, really. We had an irregular A, B, C, 2, a 3, and I call this the fifth wave failure. Failures aren't good news. It means that the thing is weakened, and it's what now has been confirmed by these bigger corrections. So we had the fifth wave failure, A, B, C down to there, and again, we're trying to build a base there, but it's not really doing that much as yet. So I mean, that's quite a good rally. ABC, bit of a blip up, bit of a blip down. So it's rather like Bitcoin. It's neither here nor there at the moment. It looks like it should be going up, and it may well go up. I think that's the most likely outcome. We just need a bit more confirmation. That's what's going on at the moment on Ethereum. Right, nice to switch to gold, which is a much cleaner chart, a much simpler market to track, I think. You can see the 5 rows up here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means I'm obviously an impulsive up move. Then see the ABC, and that retested the between 50% and 6.8%, which is a normal retest range. Also found support on the low of the fourth wave, which again is a typical situation. There's lots of pointers as to where these rallies and declines are likely to actually stop, and this one will actually bang on the money with that fourth wave low, pretty much. Then we've got a 1, 2, 3, 4. It looks like the fifth wave is still with us, so 1, 2, maybe 3 to there, maybe 4 and 5. It's so, I mean, there's so many waves, so it's often difficult to make a clear count ahead of time, but so far we've had no confirmation of a peak. So for now, I'd give the continued rally the benefit of the doubt. But we are in a fifth wave. We've seen quite a very strong rally already. It's up from 1800 to 27, which is 50% up in about 9 months or so. So very strong action on gold, clearly indicated by by the wave count. We had the 5 was up here, and the ABC. So we're looking for another. The third wave is normally the strongest. So at this point here, we're looking for a decent rally that we've seen. And as I said, we've got the 1, the 2, the 3 still with us. So the fourth wave has yet to make its appearance. It may have started, but there's no confirmation at this point. But I think the peak would be, if it's not already in, it's going to be quite close on gold. And then we look for a fourth wave correction, and then the final fifth wave rally. So it's if you're currently looking to get in, I'd wait for the fourth wave to come in, because you've got to get better prices, and also it's a bit uncomfortable buying at what might be a peak, and then having to put up with, say, 2 or 3 months of downside. It's better, obviously, to wait for the downside to finish and then get in once that's over. Let's have a look at silver. Right, silver, not quite as clear as gold. This is a very messy move here with a huge, great fourth wave, which overlapped with one wave probably. I mean, it's just a messy count, but it still counts as a 1 and a 2. I mean, the markets don't conform to the early patterns are extremely useful and highly reliable, but they don't always fit in. I mean, you can't expect that really. We are unnatural for nature to, and we are natural animals, so markets are a function of our natural activity, as it were. Normally they're fitting quite well, but this is rather a messy one. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So again, it looks like the 3 is in, or at least no real confirmation again. Okay, I just peak there. So I think it just blipped up to there, made a slightly higher high. I can get this into that place. Now I think we'll do a fourth wave down, and then the fifth wave will be coming in later. So at the moment I think silver's probably going down a bit before it goes up next time. Well, that's all for today. We will cover the equities in the next report on Tuesday. I look at FTSE, DAX, Dow, and the S&P. So I'll do that on Tuesday. I hope you found this report interesting and useful. Please feel free to do send me a note or an email if you have any comments to make. And have a great weekend. Thanks for listening, and bye for now.